it does what we want it to do, and that's keep out the coons. Hey guys, so we're out here today with our bird feeder. Abby and I really enjoy birds. We enjoy feeding them, we enjoy watching them and identifying them. And we're having a real problem with coons. And they are attacking the bird feeders. And we put this baffle up here, and it just helps with the squirrels, but it doesn't do anything for the raccoons. So Abby came up with this idea to wrap the pole with barbed wire. So we wrapped the pole with barbed wire, and all it did was make them scream and cuss every time they went up and attacked the feeders. So we got another solution we're going to try, and we're going to do that now. So when we moved here back in October, we brought our bird feeder that we had then with us. It was a pretty good one we got. Had a nice sturdy pole and a couple platform feeders. It would hold. But we had such high winds here this winter that it blew the pole over 3 times, and we just couldn't salvage it. And we didn't want that to happen anymore, so we went and got some black iron pipe, 1-inch diameter, and that's what we made our new bird feeder out of. But as I said, the raccoons are attacking it, and so we're going to go ahead and put some extensions on it, make it a little higher, a little wider, and then we're going to put a pipe over the pole, over the post, and see if this will keep them out. It was a good thing that when I did put this together, I greased all the threads, made it real easy to take apart, and now I'm going to go ahead and put it back together. Okay, so we extended everything by 10 inches with our 1-inch diameter black iron pipe. We extended it 10 inches up, 10 inches out, and then each end 10 inches out. We mounted our 4-inch galvanized dryer pipe at the top of the pipe is 6 feet, just by drilling a hole through the black iron pipe and running a piece of plastic coated cable, about a 5/16 diameter, through there. And so now we're going to get ready and hang up our bird feeders and see how they like them. Okay, so we got the bird feeders all hung up. The top of the pole is right at 9 feet, and top of the pipe 6 feet. So the bird feeders are hanging about 6 feet, which should keep them safe. If not, we can use shorter hooks up there to hang them from. Right now we have it there because 6 feet is what we can comfortably put up and take down off of a 5-gallon bucket, which seems to be the most stable platform in the yard for doing this. We tried a little step ladder and the feet just sunk right in the ground. So that's it. We'll keep you posted and let you know if the birds like it, and if it does what we want it to do, and that's keep out the coons. So we'll see you soon. Oh, make sure you please like and subscribe, and also you can find us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Pinterest. Thanks for watching.